I would stop drugs and criminality in 3 to 6 months.
Marami ngayon ang mga batang naghihirap. Maraming batang gustong mag-aral pero hindi sila nakakapag-aral dahil walang magulang na nagkakaaral sa kanila. Kaya habang buhay pa ako, mag-aral ka ng mabuti ha. Maging tapuan ka sa paaralan nyo kasi yan yung gusto ko sa iyo. Maging tapuan kasi sayang yung magandahan mo. Mana ka talaga sa akin, anak. Kaya galingan mo sa school, ha? Mag-aral ng mabuti, anak.
Okay, class, congratulations for finishing this semester. And our overall top 1 student is no other than Miss Pia Rivas. Congratulations, Pia. And dahil dyan, ikaw ang magre-represent ng ating school para sa Regional Quiz D next month. Mag-study, Pia, ha? Miss Pia, may I talk to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So, dahil ikaw ang napiling representative ng ating school, you should study a lot. Mag-study ka sa generally sa science. Dapat ha, di mo mag-study dito maayo kay our goal is to be the champion. Dili ta magpakaulas sa ato ang school, ha? No pressure man, pero nindot jud to og kita ang madaog. Ha? Mag-study ka og ayo, ha? Dito sa inyong balay, tagaan ka og mga reviewers nimo. Okay? Okay.
Tia, congratulations. Successful ang event. Next event na to is naaga from Kelvin. You're really a great help. So, hopefully, you're the really elected na kinagin sa organization. Yun ang mag-extend yung meeting na. I'll count on you. Bye!
Bye!
Tia, I need some help.
The path of drug use and abuse can feel like a lonely escape, a temporary numbness from the pressures of school, family, and life. But that path is a dead end. It isolates you, steals your potential, and replaces your bright future with shadows and regret. If you or someone you know is struggling, please take that courageous step now. Talk to a teacher, a counselor, a family member, or call a helpline. You are not alone, and your life is too valuable to lose to addiction. Don't fade away. Ask for help and start shining again.